Greetings. In this lecture, our aim is to comprehend the concept of LaTeX. Simply, LaTeX is a typesetting system and markup language used for creating high-quality documents, particularly those that involve complex formatting, mathematical equations, and scientific notations. It is developed by Leslie Lamport in the early 1980s and is widely used in academia, research, and publishing for documents such as research papers, theses, dissertations, reports, books, and presentations. Instead of focusing on the visual appearance of the document while writing, LaTeX emphasizes the structure and content of the text. Users write the document in plain text along with the scientific LaTeX command that defines the document's structure, formatting, and layout. These commands are interpreted by LaTeX, which then process the text to produce a professionally typeset document with consistent formatting. LaTeX is particularly popular among researchers, scientists, mathematicians, engineers due to its excellent support for mathematical and scientific notations. It has robust features for handling equations, tables, figures, citations, cross-references, and bibliographies, making it an indispensable tool for academic writing and publishing. One of the key advantages of LaTeX is its ability to automate tedious tasks like table of content generation, numbering of sections and figures, and citation management. Additionally, since LaTeX documents are plain text, they are highly portable and can be easily version controlled using tools like Git. To use LaTeX, one needs to install a LaTeX distribution such as TeXLive or MikTeX on their computer. Then a plain text editor can be used to write the LaTeX code, or specialized LaTeX editor like TeXmaker, TeXStudio, WinEdit, Center, or Overleaf can be employed to provide a more user-friendly interface with features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and real-time preview. While LaTeX offers great flexibility and control over document layout, it might have a steeper learning curve compared to traditional word processor, mainly because users need to learn the LaTeX command and syntax. However, the effort is rewarded with elegant and professional-looking documents, especially when dealing with large technical or scientific writing projects.